Introducing the Cadillac front-wheel drive Deville and Fleetwood. All new for today and for the future. They take to the road with design, engineering, and manufacturing achievements that set standards of quality and value, remarkable handling and maneuverability, improved performance and fuel economy, crisp, contemporary good looks, with new and distinctive standard features, many of them Cadillac exclusives. Designed to meet the particular needs of the 80s while preserving such traditional Cadillac values as full 6-occupant roominess, elegant interiors, a quiet, smooth ride distinguished by outstanding comfort, easy to operate state-of-the-art equipment, and luxury-level convenience, all adding up to a thoroughly pleasurable driving experience. Efforts in engineering and manufacturing for quality and value reached unprecedented levels with the front-wheel drive Deville and Fleetwood. The engineering objective was to provide a high-quality, high-value luxury automobile in the proven Cadillac tradition, making the most of the new car's proportions and the impressive characteristics that resulted from its transverse front-wheel drive. For example, a comparison of front-wheel drive versus 1984 rear-wheel drive sedan Deville dimensions reveals the following. Overall length is reduced by 26 inches, wheelbase by 10.7 inches, and wall-to-wall turning diameter by 2.4 feet, which means improved maneuverability in parking and similar situations. However, interior volume has been kept to within 1 cubic foot of 1984, and front hip and shoulder room have been reduced only slightly. More important is the fact that front legroom and front headroom have both increased, and the curb weights have been dramatically reduced, a major factor in the improved fuel economy of these new Cadillacs. At the initial design stage, comprehensive testing and analysis were undertaken to ensure close tolerance specification of body components. Extensive computer simulation was utilized to help ensure close fits and consistent quality. Comprehensive structural testing was undertaken to ensure high-quality body component fits with structural strength. Power plant engineering objectives were to provide smooth and reliable operation, good drivability, satisfying performance, and efficient fuel use. In electronics, the objective was to expand the proven capabilities of Cadillac's highly reliable electronic engine control system. In chassis engineering, the objective was to capitalize on such features as the integral body frame construction, which provides solid structural feel with reduced likelihood of squeaks and rattles. From the very beginning, the goal of this new Cadillac was to set new standards of quality for luxury automobiles. But reaching this goal requires an equally stringent manufacturing for quality commitment with equally demanding objectives of its own. The result? An all-new plant, all-new technology, and an all-new operating philosophy dedicated to producing General Motors' highest quality domestic automobile to date. Quality of assembly is improved by new designs, such as the one-piece inner and outer door panel stampings that provide structural integrity, reduce variances, and enhance door-to-body fits. Jointless, one-piece chromed and gasketed window moldings provide a clean, high-quality appearance. A RoboGate framing system provides close tolerance assembly, and computerized robots provide more consistent build quality by automatically performing nearly 90% of all body welds. Automatic single-station side frame assembly provides close tolerance door body openings, significantly reducing door fit variations. Exterior finishes are of strikingly high gloss and luster the result of a new paint process that utilizes 2 color base coats with 2 clear coat enamel top coats that are applied by computer-controlled robots for higher, more consistent quality. Restricted clean room areas also help to assure finishes unflawed by dust or other contaminants. The anti-corrosion measures included in these new cars represent the most comprehensive application of corrosion control technology in Cadillac history. Processes include full body immersion for application of the electrically charged prime coat that forms a magnetic-like bond of adhesion to the metal. To protect metal-to-metal contact areas, many moldings and scripts are adhesively applied. Non-corroding bimetal moldings are used, often with gaskets, providing additional protection. Smooth finish anti-chip coatings help protect against stone throw nicks and chips. During assembly, numerous computer-controlled processes are utilized to help achieve consistent levels of quality. Front and rear wheel alignment, for example. And in-process electrical testing of the electronic control module and new body computer module to help assure system integrity, proper calibration, and proper component operation. Every single car must pass every test of this assembly line diagnostic link before being released for shipment. Only one of the many examples of how the 1985 Cadillac Deville and Fleetwood benefit from our commitment to engineering and manufacturing for quality and value. Designing, engineering, and producing the 1985 Deville and Fleetwood to meet their high-level objectives demanded the total and comprehensive support of developmental testing programs. Together, the many tests in these programs challenge a car again and again until objectives are met. Performance testing of steering, suspension, or brakes, for example, and tests that require long periods of time or extremely high mileages usually utilize proving grounds test track facilities. Corrosion durability testing is an example where more than 250,000 miles are driven during a single year to test paint finishes and the performance of anti-corrosion processes and materials. To provide the many types of conditions needed, testing takes place at numerous remote locations. Death Valley, for example, where cars can be operated in low altitude, low humidity, and high temperature conditions. An ideal setting for testing the performance of improved engine cooling, air conditioner, and electronic system designs. Or northern Canada in winter, where very low temperatures enable the collection of such valuable information as battery cold start capacity, engine drivability, or defroster and heating system operation. In addition, this type of winter driving provides a real-world test of handling and traction in snow. A significant factor affecting engine and emission control system operations is altitude. Here, calibrations can be refined, tested, and further refined as required. Location testing provides the variety and combinations of operating conditions that are encountered in the real world. However, many tests can most effectively be done in an engineering test facility. Dependability testing, for example, includes related component and system test activities designed to answer such questions as how long, under what conditions, or how consistently will the car perform to specified standards. In the effort to produce a fuel-efficient automobile that would meet not just today's needs, but the needs of Cadillac owners for years to come, precise evaluations of the car's aerodynamics were essential. Wind tunnel testing enabled progressive refinement of such exterior features as the low front end, high rear deck design, the flush-mounted windshield, the flush bumpers, and the clean underbody. As a result, the new design provides a noticeably improved drag coefficient. To achieve passenger compartment noise isolation objectives, sound level tests are used to detect noises, their causes, and the effectiveness of control measures. To test the operation of engines and drivetrain components, a dynamometer accurately simulates operating variables, such as heavy or light loads, while environmental chambers provide the required temperature and humidity levels. This type of testing contributed enormously to the consistently pleasing drivability of these new Cadillacs. Electronic systems, such as the ECM and BCM, undergo perhaps the most extensive performance and validation testing. Programs for the ECM and BCM microprocessors are carefully tested on test benches, checking variables and how they affect system function. The final programs are checked on vehicles during on-site performance testing. Performed under both natural and artificial environmental conditions, performance testing includes such checks as resistance to temperature and humidity extremes, interference from high-power radio frequency transmitters, and the effect of mechanical shocks. The reliable drivability, pleasing operation, satisfying performance, and improved fuel economy these new generation Cadillacs deliver would never have been possible without the sophistication and advanced technology of Cadillac's developmental testing programs. Cadillac front-wheel drive Deville and Fleetwood deliver numerous new designs and features in the areas of engines, chassis, and suspension. The standard engine is the HT 4100 digital fuel injection V8, which continues to provide the smooth operation, dependability, and performance already appreciated by thousands of Cadillac owners. This is the only front-drive, transversely mounted V8 engine offered anywhere in the world in a production automobile. It is a Cadillac exclusive worldwide. A new accessory mounting and drive system provides multiple benefits. The single accessory drive belt is easily put on or taken off. An automatic self-tensioner adjusts belt tension in response to changing accessory loads, eliminating the need for service adjustment while increasing belt and accessory bearing life. Design details of the engine include the black with silver rocker arm covers and air cleaner, and the color-coded fluid identification system introduced to increase the ease and convenience of fluid checks and replenishment. Orderly and controlled routing of wires and hoses contributes to the engine compartment's appearance. The engine cooling system is redesigned with 2 electric cooling fans that are computer controlled and a lightweight cross-flow aluminum radiator that provides more efficient heat transfer. This standard engine is teamed with an all-new, lighter, more compact 4-speed automatic overdrive transmission that features a Cadillac exclusive viscous converter clutch, or VCC, which, by utilizing a viscous silicone fluid to reduce torque converter slippage, improves torque converter efficiency and enhances operating smoothness. This new design allows the VCC to be engaged at much lower speeds than a conventional torque converter clutch, thereby improving city fuel economy. A higher ratio first gear delivers improved off-the-line performance. And an overdrive gear provides good fuel economy and quiet cruising. The reduced weights and aerodynamic designs of these new Cadillacs combine with this new standard power team to produce improved fuel economy plus impressive performance. Available as an option is a 4.3-liter V6 diesel engine with such features as fast glow plugs with a 6-second wait to start at 0 degrees Fahrenheit, much less at warmer temperatures. An in-tank water separation system, a water and fuel warning light, a wait to start indicator, and standard fuel line and engine block heaters. The 4.3-liter V6 diesel engine is teamed with a new 4-speed automatic overdrive transmission that includes a conventional design torque converter clutch. The pleasure of driving these all-new Cadillacs has been increased significantly over their predecessors due to a new suspension design that is fully independent at all 4 wheels. The McPherson strut front suspension features gas-filled pliocelles for consistent damping performance. The fully independent rear suspension features specific strut valving and spring rates, plus super lift shocks with electronic level control for impressive handling control and isolation, especially over rough roads. Power-assisted rack and pinion steering delivers nimble steering response with precise on-center feel. Suspension and chassis features combine to offer the ride and handling expected in a Cadillac. The solid feel with softness, smoothness, quiet, and a flat stance through the corners. Cadillac exclusive 2-plane dynamic wheel balancing combines with computer match-mounted wheels and tires to optimize rolling smoothness. Thick front side window glass and secondary rubber door seals help reduce wind rush and wind noise for an impressively quiet passenger compartment. Finally, these new cars offer impressive traction due to the combination of front-wheel drive and a new generation of tires with a new mud and snow rating for impressive wet braking performance as well as remarkable snow traction. Overall, the features of the front-wheel drive Deville and Fleetwood engines, chassis, and suspension preserve traditional Cadillac qualities while adding significant new features, expanding the benefits Cadillac customers expect. Front-wheel drive Deville and Fleetwood sedan electronic systems are the most sophisticated ever and include new functions for the electronic control module ECM, a new body computer module BCM, and significantly expanded diagnostic capabilities. The ECM, which is used only with the DFI gasoline engine, includes a number of new control functions. 2 of them provide unique advantages. One is the electrical system check, which monitors charging system operation and increases idle speed under certain high load operating conditions to increase generator output and prevent battery discharge. If a weakness in the charging system happens to occur, the driver is notified by an indicator light that corrective action should be taken. Another ECM function is power steering load compensation, where the ECM makes adjustments in response to high power steering loads during parking maneuvers, for example, maintaining proper idle speed and providing consistent driving ease and operating smoothness. The new body computer module, or BCM, an exclusive Cadillac feature, provides enhanced functions, self-diagnosis of body-related systems, reduced system complexity, and increased reliability. Specific BCM functions include the following: electronic climate control with outside temperature display. This system provides an example of interaction between the BCM and the ECM. Here, it provides enhanced engine performance, including startup smoothness, by delaying the engagement of the air conditioning compressor slightly until the engine is running and stabilized. Idle speed quality, where the BCM signals the ECM just before engaging the compressor, allowing it to adjust the engine controls to maintain idle speed quality. And engine wide open throttle power, which is achieved through automatic disengagement of the compressor. The BCM also provides improved, more stable temperature control through its ability to anticipate temperature fluctuations and then regulate the system to favor warmer or cooler air to maintain correct passenger compartment temperature before it's lost. A related feature is the Cadillac exclusive BCM-controlled air conditioner protection system.
when the BCM detects refrigerant conditions through monitoring refrigerant temperature and pressure low enough to compromise cooling capacity, an indicator light alerts the driver to take corrective action. If refrigerant level falls low enough to cause compressor damage, the BCM alerts the driver, stops compressor operation, and prevents further operation until service is performed. With the standard HT 4100 DFI V8 engine, the standard fuel data center display includes a digital fuel gauge and displays of fuel economy, instantaneous and average, range, and fuel used. The information for these displays is provided by the BCM. On models powered by the available diesel engine, the BCM provides a new feature, the Diesel Data Center, with displays consisting of a digital fuel gauge and 2 indicator lights, water and fuel, and wait to start. The BCM also provides controls for coordinated display dimming, the available electric rear window defogger, as well as an important new convenience feature, retained accessory power. With retained accessory power, when the ignition is switched to the off position, the driver can operate the power windows and the remote trunk lid release for 10 minutes or until one of the doors is opened. BCM Diagnostics are included only with the standard DFI engine, where BCM Diagnostics are standard with both engines. As fully operational onboard systems, both continuously monitor the system and its components for proper operation, memorize detected malfunctions, even if only temporary, provide sensor fail-soft value substitutions to enable continued operation of the car in the event of sensor malfunctions, and incorporate backup operation. As a result of the ECM and the BCM and their diagnostic capabilities, drivers of these new Cadillacs enjoy smooth, highly reliable engine operation, precisely controlled passenger compartment temperatures, easily read information displays, easily used controls, and the convenience of fast and effective service.
(1985) Deville and Fleetwood interiors are distinguished by their new standards of luxury, comfort, and functional convenience. Inside, new design seating provides ease of entry and exit, and magnificent seating comfort for 6 occupants. Front seat designs have achieved this optimum comfort level by being shaped to conform to normal spinal contours for improved lumbar support. Plush fabrics and luxurious trim designs make a clear statement about the high-level standards achieved here. Functional convenience is instantly noticed when operating the new control switches, which are light to the touch and make a precise, refined sound. Switches for the windows are shape-defined for fingertip recognition, and the electric door lock switches are vertically mounted for easy identification. Luxurious detailing includes moldings trimmed in soft cloth around the windshield and rear sail panel areas, which also include courtesy lights on Deville and courtesy reading lights on Fleetwood. The new instrument panel is designed for precise fits and high-quality appearance, with full padding top to bottom, highly accurate leather-look detailing, and side window defogger outlets. The glove box, which is easier and quieter to operate, features larger storage capacity, gray interior flocking, and color-coordinated hardware. The cockpit instrument panel arrangement of the driver area places displays within line-of-sight view and controls within convenient reach. The standard instrument cluster includes a new quartz electrical swing movement speedometer that translates electrical signals from the transmission speed sensor, thereby eliminating the speedometer cable previously used. The headlamp switch is conveniently tilted toward the driver, as are the controls for the Twilight Sentinel and Dimming Sentinel, both available features. Twilight Sentinel, which provides automatic headlamp on-off control, is now adjusted with an easy-to-use thumb wheel that is illuminated at night. The Dimming Sentinel, a Cadillac exclusive available feature, controls high beam operation in response to the headlights of oncoming cars. This system is also adjusted with an illuminated at night thumb wheel control on the panel and features a green light within the wheel to indicate when the system is operating. The photo sensor for this system is mounted on the base of the inside rear view mirror within the wipe pattern of the windshield wipers to prevent dirt buildup, which could decrease its ability to react to oncoming headlights. The available electronic cruise control system includes an illuminated at night on-off switch on the panel with an amber light that indicates when the system is on and a green light that indicates when it is engaged. Set coast and resume accelerate controls for the system are positioned on the turn signal lever. The lineup of quality radio systems includes the standard electronically tuned AM/FM stereo with electronic seek and scan, front to rear fader control, built-in loudness control, wide range tone controls, and dynamic distortion limiting. The available symphonic sound cassette player includes, in addition to the features of the standard radio, dynamic noise reduction, an auto-reverse cassette player, a new search and replay control for finding the beginning of the next or the currently playing selection, locking fast forward and reverse buttons, and lighted tape side indicators. However, the most dramatic new radio currently available is the Delco GM Bose Premium Sound System, which delivers features and sound reproduction qualities that must be experienced to be appreciated. The interior trims of the available Fleetwood d'Elegance are designed to be appreciated and enjoyed by the same luxury, quality, and value-oriented type of sophisticate. All of these features are integral to Cadillac's new for 1985 story on interiors. This concludes the introduction of the all-new front-wheel drive Deville and Fleetwood. Cadillacs for the 80s, engineered and designed in every detail to set new standards with new and improved features, offering dependability, durability, fuel economy, and performance, setting and meeting the highest manufacturing quality objectives in Cadillac's history, delivering an all-new Cadillac that preserves traditional Cadillac qualities while adding highly desirable new features to meet the needs of the times, satisfying today's and tomorrow's highly discriminating luxury car buyers.